Good morning, students. In the last class, we discussed with the insurance claims, how to prepare the amount to be lodged with regard to the insurance company. So for that purpose, we did several problems, and one more problem we will do it in the same way, and then we will go to the another topic with regard to this. So how it is to be, we need to prepare the memorandum trading account as of the first case, and after that we will get the book value of that. Book value in the sense means the closing stock, that is the book value. So book value in the first case, that is the preparation of memorandum trading account. Book value we are calculating, and from the book value we are deducting the salvage value. Then we will get the net loss of the stock at fire. And if the insurance value is greater than or is not enough to adjust with the actual loss, then we need to calculate the average loss. Average loss is equal to loss of stock by fire multiplied with the insurance policy value, that is to be divided by, or the insurance policy value divided by the actual book value, that is to be multiplied with the loss of stock. So we will look into it one more problem, and then we will proceed to the next area. So we will look into that. Illustration 5. The premises of X Limited caught fire on 22nd January 2017, and the entire stock except the stock of the value of 44,300 was lost. A fire insurance policy for an amount of 5 lakh was in existence as on that date of fire. The firm had made up accounts up to 31st March each year. On 31st March 2016, the stock at cost was 13 lakh 27,200, and on 31st March 2015 it was 9 lakh 62,200. So first year it is how much? 2016 the stock was 13,27,200, and 31st March it is 9 lakh 62,200. Purchase from 1st April 2016 to the date of the fire were 34 lakh 82,700 as against 45 lakh 25,000 for the full year 2015 to 16, and the corresponding sales figures were, this is the purchase and this is the coming is the sale, 49 lakhs 17,000 and 52 lakhs respectively. You are given the following further information. In July 2015, goods costing 1 lakh were given away for advertising purposes, but no entries being made in the books. 1 ലക്ഷം രൂപ അഡ്വർടൈസിംഗിന് എടുത്തിട്ടുണ്ട്, പക്ഷേ ആ 1 ലക്ഷത്തിന്റെ കണക്കിൽ കാണിച്ചിട്ടില്ല. പിന്നെ during 2015-16, a clerk had misappropriated unrecorded cash sales. It is estimated that the defalcation averaged rupees 2,000 per week from 1st April 2015 until the clerk was dismissed on 21st August 2015. അപ്പം ആ വീക്കിലി 20 ആഴ്ച എങ്ങാണ്ടുണ്ട്. ആ 20 ആഴ്ച 20 ഗുണം 2000 വെച്ച് 40,000 രൂപ അവിടെ മിസ്അപ്രോപ്രിയേറ്റ് വന്നിട്ടുണ്ട്. Okay. Then the rate of gross profit is constant, and from the above information, make an estimate of the claim to be lodged with the insurance company. So this is the problem. Firstly, we need to prepare the working note with regard to 31st March 2016. What is that? The trading account. So we will do it now. Trading account as on 31st March 2016. So, from this information, on 31st March 2016, what is the stock at the cost was 13 lakh 27,200, and on 31st March 2015, it was 9 lakh 62,200. So, this is when it is to be prepared. This is the trading account of the year 2016. So the closing stock of 2015 will be the opening stock of 2016. So two balance brought down, sorry, two opening stock, how much it is? 9,62,200. Then next, purchase from 1st April to the date of wire was 34,82,700 as against 45,25,000 for the full year 2015-16, and the sales figure, corresponding sales figure will be 49,17,000 for the first, and the last is 52 lakhs. So how we will get it? 9,62,200 is the opening. Then see how much it is. The purchases, it is 45 lakh. Two purchases, 45,25,000. Clear? Sales is how much? By sales, it is 52 lakhs. Then closing stock is in the question, how much it is? Yes, that 13,27,200. This is the, see, opening stock for the year 2017, isn't it? The stock at the cost was 31st March. This we prepare in 31st March. In memorandum trading account, January 2017. Our opening in the closing. So by CL stock, how much? 13,27,200. Then take the total of this. So how much it is? 65,27,200. Here also 65,27,200. Then 2 gross profit carried out. Take the total and difference between this. It is 10,40,000. Then GP ratio is equal to 10,40,000 divided by 52 lakhs into 100. This and this over. These three is over. So 1040 by 52, it is equal to 20%. 20% is the which one? Gross profit ratio, isn't it? So GP ratio about 20%. Then we need to prepare what? Memorandum trading account. Memorandum trading account for the which year? 2017. Okay, so memorandum trading account 1st April to 22nd January. Memorandum trading account 1/4/17 to 22nd. This is 16 to 22nd, 0 to 17. അന്ന് വരെയാണ് prepare ചെയ്യേണ്ടത്. Okay. Here, that closing stock will be the opening here. So particulars amount, two opening stock, 13,27,200, isn't it? Then purchases. Actually, purchases is given in the question as 34,82,700. Actually, that is wrong. It is a printing mistake. It is 38 lakhs. 38,82,700. So change that into 38,82,700, and by sales is equal to how much it is in the question? 49,17,000. 49,17,000. Advertisement, there is an expenditure. So by advertisement, so it is 1 lakh. Then there is also a cash sale. In the sense means one clerk, ഒരു ക്ലർക്ക് അവിടെ ഒരു പണി ചെയ്തായിരുന്നു. അതായത് see, cash sale misappropriation, that is for 1 for 2015 to 21/8/2015. 20 ആഴ്ചയുണ്ട്. അപ്പൊ ആ 20 ആഴ്ച 20 weeks into 2000 2000 രൂപ വെച്ച് പുള്ളി misappropriate ചെയ്തു. അപ്പൊ that is also a cash sale. That also to be added with this sale also. So by cash sale 40,000, that is 20 into 2000. So 40,000. So total how much it is? 49,57,000. That's same. Out of the 49,57,000, we need to calculate the gross profit of this 20% on 49,57,000 or 49,17,000 plus which one? 40,000. So 20%, how much it is? 9,91,400. Take the total of this and take the difference. That is the book value of the stock. So by closing stock, how much it is? 58,01,300. 58,01,300 is the total. Then closing stock is how much? 7,44,300. 7,44,300. So this is the book value of the stock. Okay, book value of the stock. So clear how it is to be? We once again I will explain to you. We are preparing the trading account for the period when 31st March 2016. On that day, what all information is there for the previous month or previous year? That is to be there. Opening stock is there, purchases is there, then sales is there. Closing stock also given. Take the difference, that is the gross profit, and then take the GP ratio. We calculate the GP ratio. After the GP ratio, 20% we got it. Then we need to prepare the memorandum trading account for the current period. So here, opening stock is there, purchase is there, then sales is there, advertisement, extra expenses are there. Okay, advertisement, then credit sale is there. And closing stock is the balancing figure. Before that, cash sale is there where misappropriation is there. അപ്പോൾ അതും കൂടെ സെയിലിനകത്ത് ഉൾപ്പെടുത്തണം, എന്നാലേ ഫുൾ സെയിൽ ആവുള്ളൂ. അതിന്റെ 20% ആണ് ഗ്രോസ് പ്രോഫിറ്റ്. Then take the closing stock and then book value of the stock minus the salvage value. That is what we get the net value, and then we will check whether the money is to be amount to be loaded is sufficient. That is, insurance value is this much and this value is that. So maybe average cost need to calculate. So we will check it that. Next procedure. So 7,44,300 is the book value. $7,44,300, that is the book value, less salvage value. Salvage value is how much? 44,300. That is in the question. There is first part. There is, so 7 lakh is the net value, but the insurance policy is how much? 5 lakh. So we need to calculate the average cost. So that how it is to be calculated? See, claim to be lodged is equal to loss of stock multiplied with the policy value divided by book value of the stock at the time of fire. So loss of stock, 7 lakh, isn't it? So 7 ലക്ഷത്തിന്റെ നഷ്ടം വന്നു. പോളിസി വാല്യൂ 5 ലക്ഷത്തിന്റെ നമുക്ക് ഇൻഷുർഡ് ആയിട്ടുള്ളൂ. Divided by book value, how much? 7,44,300. So this is the case. How much it is the amount? 4 lakh 70,240. So in this way, we are calculating the amount to be lost. So once again, we'll explain to you. We need to prepare the trading account firstly for the previous year so that we can calculate the GP ratio, isn't it? Then from the GP ratio calculation, we are going to prepare the memorandum trading account, and the memorandum trading account, the balance of the book, the GP, and all the other items are debited or credited as well as the case may be. And then we are calculating the book value of the stock. It is treated as the which one closing stock. And from that, we are deducting the book value, the salvage value, we will get the net value. So then we are checking what? We are checking this thing like how much is the insurance policy and how much is the net value of that. If the net value is more than the insurance policy, sure, we will need to calculate the average loss. So average loss is equal to loss of stock is the policy value divided by book value of the what? Book value of the stock at the time of fire. Clear? So this is the case. And next we are going to see the balance problems like the same. You need to prepare it by your end, from your end. So I will move on to, there is a term called poor selling goods. So what is that? Poor selling goods, we will check it. So what is poor selling goods? Sometimes the stock of a business may include some goods which are short soiled or outdated. Maybe it is outdated. Items are poor selling goods. Such goods are often called poor selling goods. These goods are generally valued at below cost, and in effect, gross profit should be reduced. On determining the normal rate of gross profit, the stock and sales proceeds of these goods are to be eliminated from the stock and the total sales also. So, on determining the normal rate of the gross profit, at the time of determining the rate of gross profit, the stock and the sale proceeds of these goods are to be eliminated from the stock and the total sales. So, trading account in this case is prepared in the columnar form to show separately the normal and abnormal items. അതായത് നോർമൽ ആയിട്ടുള്ളതും അബ്നോർമൽ ആയിട്ടുള്ള ഐറ്റംസും അതാണ് ഇവിടെ പ്രിപ്പയർ ചെയ്യുന്നത്. അപ്പൊ ട്രേഡിംഗ് അക്കൗണ്ടിന് എക്സ്ട്രാ രണ്ട് കോളം കൂടെ വരും. അതായത് what is that? Normal items, abnormal items. So we will do this problem. On 1st April 2016, the godown of Hindustan Limited was destroyed by fire. From the books of the account, the following particulars are gathered. Stock at a cost on 1st January 2015, 27,570. Stock as per the balance sheet on 31st December 2015, 51,120. Purchases during 2015, 2,71,350. Purchases from 1st January to 2016 to 31st March 2016, 75,000. Sales during 2015, 3,51,000. Sales from 1st January 16 to 31st March 16, 91,500. And the goods salvaged value 6,300. Goods of original cost of 3,600 has been valued at rupees 1,500 on 31st December 2050. അപ്പം 3,600 ഗുഡ്സ് രൂപയുടെ ഒറിജിനൽ കോസ്റ്റ് ആയിട്ടുള്ള ഗുഡ്സ് 31st ഡിസംബർ ആയപ്പോഴത്തേക്കിന് അതിന് വാല്യൂ എത്രയായി? 1,500. ആ സാധനം these were sold in March 2016 for 2,700. Except this, the rate of gross profit has been remained constant. On 31st March 2016, goods worth 15,000 has been received by the godown keeper but had not entered in the purchase account. So, calculate the value of the goods destroyed by fire. അപ്പോൾ ഇവിടെ പറഞ്ഞിരിക്കുന്ന എത്രയാണ്? രണ്ട് ഇതായിട്ടുണ്ട്. അതിനകത്ത് ബാക്കിയെല്ലാം സെയിം ഐറ്റം തന്നെ. അതായത് 1st ജാനുവരിയിലെ ഓപ്പണിംഗ് ഇത് സ്റ്റോക്ക് അറ്റ് കോസ്റ്റ്, സ്റ്റോക്ക് as per the balance sheet, അതായത് ക്ലോസിംഗ് സ്റ്റോക്ക്. ദെൻ ആ ഇതിനെ എന്താ ഇപ്പൊ എഴുതുമ്പോൾ എന്താകും? അത് ഓപ്പണിംഗ് ആകും. ക്ലിയർ? അതിനകത്ത് ഓർക്കേണ്ട ഒരു കേസ് ഇതാണ്. ആ ഇതിന്റെ ഐറ്റം 31st ഡിസംബറിൽ 3600 ഒറിജിനൽ കോസ്റ്റ് വന്ന സാധനത്തിന് 1500 വിലയായി. അതിന് 2700 വിൽക്കുന്നത്. ഓക്കെ, അപ്പൊ അവിടെ സെയിലും ഉണ്ട്, ഇവിടെ പർച്ചേസും ഉണ്ട്. Isn't it? Then, except such a transaction, the rest all the things, the gross profit will remain constant also. And 31st March 2016, the goods worth 15,000 had been received by the godown keeper, but had not been entered in the purchase account. So, calculate the goods destroyed by fire. അതാണ് നമ്മൾ ഇവിടെ കാൽക്കുലേറ്റ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. So, firstly, we need to prepare the trading account for the year ended 31st December 2015. So, trading account 31/12/15. Isn't it? 31st December 2015. Particulars, amount, particulars. Firstly, the opening stock. To opening stock. See, here, how much? Stock at cost on 1st January 2015. So that is the opening stock, 27,570, isn't it? Then, next, what is there? Purchases during 2015. So, two purchases. How much? 271,350. Then, sales. 3,51,000. Okay. Then, any other item, wages or like that, nothing is there. Then, opening stock. Sorry, to gross profit. Gross profit and closing stock is there with how much? See, 51,120. That 51,120, how it is to be by closing stock is that 51,120. Out of that, 3,600 is having that. What is that? See, original cost of 3,600 has been valued at 1,500 on December 31st. So that 3,600 to be deducted from where? This 51,120. So that normal item in two ways. Normal item, that is how much? 51,120 minus 1,500. 51,120 minus 1,500. അതായത് 3,600 ഇത് 2015 ഡിസംബർ ആയപ്പോഴത്തേക്ക് 1,500 വാല്യൂ ആയി. അപ്പൊ ആ ഐറ്റം നമ്മുടെ സ്റ്റോക്കിലുള്ള ഐറ്റത്തിൽ നിന്ന് ആ 1,500 കുറയ്ക്കണം. അപ്പൊ അതാണ് 49,620 എന്ന് വരുന്നത്. ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് 51,120 മൈനസ് 1,500. ഓക്കെ, ഇനി അതിന്റെ അബ്നോർമാലിറ്റി, അത് എന്തോ ഒരു കാരണം കൊണ്ട് അതിന്റെ വാല്യൂ ഇത്രയും കണ്ട് കുറഞ്ഞു അല്ലെ. 3,600 ആയിരുന്നത് 1,500 ആയിട്ട് കുറഞ്ഞു. വീണ്ടും അതിനെ സെയിൽ ചെയ്ത് എത്രയാണ്? 2,800. സോ അബ്നോർമൽ ഐറ്റം. അപ്പൊ ഇത് നോർമൽ അബ്നോർമൽ ആയിട്ട് എഴുതുന്നു. അപ്പൊ നോർമൽ ഐറ്റം എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ അതിന്റെ ടോട്ടൽ ബാലൻസ് ചെയ്യുന്ന അതിന്റെ ഇപ്പോഴത്തെ വാല്യൂ എത്രയാണ് അത് ഡിഡക്ട് ചെയ്തിട്ടുള്ള എമൗണ്ട്. Then 3,600. Clear? So these two constitute what? The closing stock. So 49,620 plus 3,600 is 53,220. So this 53,220 will be the opening stock for the memorandum trading account. Clear? 49,620. How? 51,120 is the total value. Out of that, 1,500. The abnormal item of 3,600, that is to be now valued at 1,500. So that 51,120 minus 1,500, 49,620, and the abnormal item 3,600. Clear? So then the gross profit will be how much? The total of this, it is 4,04,220. Here also 4,04,220. Then take the difference this, so it is 105,300. Then GP ratio is equal to, ബാക്കി എല്ലാം സെയിം പോലെ തന്നെ ഒരു എക്സ്ട്രാ കോളം വരുന്നേ ഉള്ളൂ. ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് നോർമൽ കോളം, അബ്നോർമൽ കോളം ടുഗദർ കോൺസ്റ്റിറ്റ്യൂട്ട് ദ ടോട്ടൽ കോളം. അതാണ് ഇവിടത്തെ ഒരു പ്രത്യേകത. അതാണ് പുവർ സെല്ലിംഗ് ഗുഡ്സിന്റെ. ചില ഐറ്റംസ് നോർമൽ ഐറ്റം ആയിട്ടും ചിലത് അബ്നോർമാലിറ്റി ഉള്ളതുമായിട്ട് മാറുന്നു. കാര്യം ഇവിടെ ഒരു അബ്നോർമാലിറ്റി ഉണ്ട്. കാരണം എന്താ? 3,600 രൂപയുടെ ഒരു സാധനം ഈ വർഷം അവസാനം വന്നപ്പോൾ 1500 ആയി. So there should be some abnormality. അതാണ് ഓർക്കേണ്ടത്. So GP is equal to 1,053,000 divided by the sale 3,51,000 into 100. How much it is? 30%. So memorandum trading account, 30% of the sales is what? The gross profit. So we will prepare the memorandum trading account. Memorandum trading account. Okay. So how it is to be, we will check it. The opening stock, 2 columns are there. I think 3 columns. So this is not possible. Normal, abnormal, total. Here also 3 columns. Normal, abnormal, total. So this is normality is there, that will put it in normal case. Abnormality is there, in that case, like that. So poor selling goods എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ outdated ആയിട്ടുള്ള ആവശ്യമില്ലാതെ വരുന്നതായിട്ടുള്ള ഇതൊക്കെ. Okay, അതാണ് നോക്കേണ്ടത്. So here opening stock, 2 opening stock, അവിടെ എത്രയായിരുന്നു? 49,620. അല്ല, നമ്മൾ ഓൾറെഡി കണ്ടിട്ടുണ്ട്. 49,620 in the normality, 3,600 in the abnormality. So how much it is? 53,220. 53,220. Once again, I will explain to you. 51,120 is the closing stock for that thing, that purpose last year. That 51,120 minus the 1,500, that value at the when 31/12/2015. So it is 1 till 31/3/60. Okay. അത് ആ കാലയളവിലുള്ളതാണ്. ഫസ്റ്റ് മാർച്ച് till ഫസ്റ്റ് ജനുവരി till 31st March. Okay. So 49,620 plus 3,600, 53,220. Then purchases. Purchases എടുത്തേ. Purchasesനകത്ത് ഇവിടെ ഒരു കേസ് വരുന്നുണ്ട്. That is, see, purchases from 1st January to 31st March is 75,000. And one more thing you need to, on 31st March 2016, goods worth 1,500 had been received by the godown keeper. But that is also treated as purchases. So 75,000 plus 15,000, so 90,000 is the purchases. Here no item. Like the same by sales. Sales is how much? 91,500. So that sales is to be here. 91,500 is the total sale. Out of that, that value also sold at 2,700. So 2,700 in the abnormal cases, 91,500 in the this one. So 91,500 minus 2,700, it is 88,800. അപ്പോൾ ഇത് ടോട്ടൽ 91,500 ആകാവുള്ളൂ. അതവിടെ പറഞ്ഞിട്ടുണ്ട്. അതിനകത്ത് ഇൻക്ലൂഡിംഗ് വാട്ട് ദ അബ്നോർമൽ ഐറ്റം ടു ബി സോൾഡ്. അതായത് 3,600 വാല്യൂ ഡിസംബർ ആയപ്പോഴത്തേന് 1,500 ആയി. അത് പക്ഷെ നമ്മൾ വിറ്റത് 31st മാർച്ചിന്റെ സമയത്ത് വിറ്റത് 2,700. ഇനി ആ ഡിഫറൻസ് 3,600 minus 2,700, so there is a loss on such sale. That also to be credited. So by the loss, here nothing, 900 is this. So this is the total column, this plus this, so this. So 900 plus 0, 900. Then closing stock. Closing stock is the last item. Before that, to gross profit. How much? 88,800 in there. എത്ര percentage? 30%. 88,800 30%, that is 26640. Here nothing, so 26640. Take the total and finish this thing. So how much is the total of this? 1,66,260. Here it is 3,600. So how much is the total for both the cases? 1,69,860. Here, this minus this. So closing stock is received. Okay. 2,700 plus 900, it is already 3,600. And take the total of this and so how much is the closing stock? 77,460. This is nothing. So here also 77,460. So the total is 166,260 and 169,860. Clear? 169,860. So this is the book value of the stock. Now, ഇത്രേ ഓർക്കേണ്ടതുള്ളൂ. ബാക്കി എല്ലാം സെയിം പോലെ തന്നെ. Only difference is what? There is abnormality. Abnormal item ഉണ്ടായിരിക്കും. അതിനെ വിൽക്കുന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ there also the sale for that. Clear? So that is the case. Then we will calculate the what is that ascertainment of the net loss of stock. So net loss എങ്ങനെയാണ് കാണിക്കുന്നത്? Book value എത്രയാണ്? 77,460. Salvage value 6,300. Take the difference. എത്ര കിട്ടും? 71,160. 71,160. So there is no insurance policy amount also. So finish this problem. അപ്പോൾ ഇതാണ് poor selling of the goods എന്നുകൊണ്ട് ഉദ്ദേശിക്കുന്നത്. അപ്പോൾ ഇതിനകത്ത് ഇത്രയേ ഉള്ളൂ. അബ്നോർമൽ കേസസ് ഉണ്ട്, അത് വിൽക്കുന്ന ഒരു കേസ് ഉണ്ട്. ഇത് പർച്ചേസ് ആണ്, അബ്നോർമൽ പർച്ചേസ് ആണ്. ആ അബ്നോർമൽ പർച്ചേസിനെ വിൽക്കുന്ന എത്രയ്ക്കാണ്? 2,700. The value is to be changed from 3,600 to 1,500 so that in the next year it is sold at 2,700. There is a loss on such sale also. 2,700 വിൽക്കുന്നതെങ്കിൽ 900 എന്താണ്? അതിന്റെ ലോസ് ഓൺ സെയിൽ ആണ്, അത് ക്രെഡിറ്റ് ചെയ്യണം. അതേ ഉള്ളൂ ഇവിടെ ഒരു ഡിഫറൻസ്. ബാക്കി എല്ലാം സെയിം പോലെ മെമ്മറാണ്ടം ട്രേഡിംഗ് അക്കൗണ്ട് പ്രിപ്പയർ ചെയ്യുക. One more column for abnormality and normality. They take the total. So 3 columns is there on both the sides. And then we calculate the ascertainment of net loss, that is book value of the stock minus salvage value. So the less loss of stock value we receive. So this is the case with the poor selling of goods. We will do one more problem for this. On 1st April 2017, the stock of Sri Ramesh was destroyed by fire, but sufficient records were saved from which following particulars are ascertained. Stock as on 1st January 73,500, as on cost 31st December 2016 79,600, purchases for the year ended 31st December 2016 3,98,000, sales for the year ended 31st December 2016 4,87,000. Purchases from January 1 to 31st March 1,62,000. Sale from January 1 to March 31st, it is 2,31,000. In valuing the stock for the balance sheet as of 31st December, 2,300 had been written off on certain stock which was a poor selling line having cost 6,900. അപ്പോൾ 6,900 abnormal loss വരുന്നത്. Okay. A portion of these was sold in March at a loss of 250. A loss on sale of such a thing 250. With original cost is 3,450. അപ്പം 3,250 അവിടെ കാണിക്കേണ്ടതുള്ളൂ. Remainder of this stock is now estimated to be worth it at original cost. Subject to the above exception, gross profit had remained at a uniform rate throughout the year. Salvage value is 5,800. Insurance policy 50,000 and was subject to the average gross also. Work out the amount of the claim of loss by fire. So firstly, ascertainment the stock as on date of the fire. For that one, we need to prepare what? The trading account. So we will do it, the trading account now first. What all the items are there, then memorandum trading account, then the ascertainment of the net value of the stock, and then average cost. This is a standard problem with the 15 marks it will ask. You can catch 15 marks like that. So firstly, trading account. Particulars, amount, particulars, amount. To opening stock. how much it is? 73,500. Isn't it? 73,500. Yes. Then purchases for that. For the year ended 31st December. This is when we are going to prepare 31st December 2016. So 31, 12, 16. So two purchases. How much it is? 3,98,000. By sales. How much? 4,87,000. Then by CL stock. CL stock is how much? Stock at cost on 31st December, it is 79,600. Out of the 79,600, 79,600 minus how much is the abnormal? 6,900. So 72,700 plus how much it is there? 2,300. 75,000. So 75,000 is the what? The closing stock at a normal item, as normal item. So normal item is equal to how much it is? 79,600 plus that 2,300 write-off minus the sold value 6,900. So how much it is? See, 79,600 plus 2,300 minus 6,900 is 75,000. This 75,000 is to be credited there, and abnormal item, that is 6,900. Then to gross profit carried out. So how much? 4,87,000 plus 75,000 plus 6,900. It is 5,68,900. 5,68,900. Then gross profit, how much? 97,400. So how it is the ratio? 97,400 by 4,87,000 into 100 is equal to 20%. That is for the memorandum trading account, the gross profit. So see, cost of the abnormal item 6,900. These were valued on 31st December 2016 after writing of 2,300. So hence the amount included in the stock is after the write-off 6,900 that is to be deducted from 79,600, that is 75,000. Then we are going to prepare the what? Memorandum trading account. So we will check that how it is. Memorandum trading account, 97,400 is the gross profit there, and 20% of the now the net sale. Okay. Then next step, memorandum trading account. On which day? 1st January till 31st March 17. So how many columns? 3 columns. This is normal, this is abnormal, and this is total. Particulars. On this side also, normal, abnormal, and total. This is particulars. 2 opening stock. 75,000 and 6,900. So it is how much is the total? 81,900. Okay. Already അവിടെ 2 purchases. Purchases see, purchases from one, that is 1,62,000. By sales, 2,31,000. 2,31,200. Out of that, how much it is sold? Abnormal item 2,300 വിൽക്കുന്നുണ്ട്. സേ 3,450 ആണ് വിൽക്കുന്നത്. പക്ഷെ അതിനകത്ത് ലോസ് ഓൺ സെയിൽ, നഷ്ടം വന്നിട്ടുണ്ട് 250. അപ്പം ആ സെയിലും കൂടെ ഇതിനകത്ത് വരും. സോ ടോട്ടൽ എത്ര വരണം? that is 231,200 by loss 200. അപ്പോൾ ഈ 200 ഒന്ന് മാറി അല്ലേ? ബാക്കി എത്ര വരും? 3,200 3,450 ഇത് രണ്ടും കൂടെ നോക്കിയേ. Okay, so 250 is the loss, not 200. 250 is the loss. So 3450 the loss, isn't it? 3450. Then 2,28,000 is the what? Net sale after taking back the abnormal item. Clear? Then by loss also, then by closing stock to gross profit. How much? 2,28,000 in the 20%. 2,28,000 in the 20% 45,600. 45,600. Then, okay, clear? Then we calculate the which one? Total, and then taken as the balance sheet as closing stock. So, listen, how much is the total? 2,82,600 for the first case. Second case, it is 6,900. So these two are the total 2,89,500. So here also 282,600. Then how much? 6,900 and 2,89,500. Closing stock. Take the difference. 282,600 minus 2,28,000. It is 54,600. Then here also how much? 3,200 plus 250. So 3,450. 6,900. So again how much? There is a 3,450 at a cost, isn't it? So by closing stock at the random total amount. So it is 58,050. 58,050 is the total amount with regard to the book value of the stock. Book value is 58,050. Then we are calculating what after that? Net loss, isn't it? Book value 58,050. 5,800 is the salvage value. So the difference, that is the net value. How much it is? 52,250. Insurance value is here. How much? Insurance policy is 50,000. So how it is to be? 52,250 into average clause we need to calculate. So 52,250 into 50,000 is the policy value divided by this 58,050. So how much is that? The average clause. See, 52,250 into 50,000 divided by 58,050, that is rupees 45,004. That is the average cost. So with this poor selling goods, this is the poor selling goods, means outdated goods to be resolved, isn't it? That is the poor selling goods. So please have a look at today's topics and please clear your doubts as and when occur. And please do as much as problems like the same from the practice area as well as the illustration part. And if anybody is having any doubt, please clear. And also please confirm after uploading the video. Thank you for that.